Hello soulmates, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this. So first we will be drafting a standard basic bodice block. I'm sure everyone must have understood that step by now. If you don't, please feel free to check YouTube. There are lots of tutorials on that. Soulmates, I realized I didn't fully capture the whole thing, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. It's very easy. So after drafting your basic bodice inclusive of your bust and waist dart, you will come up from your waist by 1 inch and go in from that point by 0.75 inch from your center front, and then connect to your bust point directly like you see me doing. I'm then going to cut through all the way to my bust point like so. After that, I will close the waist and bust dart, transferring the darts to the center front. The both darts have now been closed, leaving us with just one dart. So the next thing is to tape it down. Line, and I cut out the excess. I left those excess purposely, soulmates. While drafting the bodice, I left those excesses purposely. That is, I didn't cut directly on the waistline. I left 1 inch, just like 1 inch. Note, this does not in any way affect anything. It was just there for the purpose of drawing. Now I'm going to be doing a method known as slash and spread method. In case you don't understand slash and spread, please indicate in the comment section so that I can do a more detailed tutorial on it. I have marked all the points I'm going to be slashing, so I'll go ahead to cut 2, but not through. That means you don't want to cut all the way. You still want to leave something to hold the papers from separating. After slashing, it's time to spread. You want to spread the pattern as much as you desire, but I will advise you don't spread too small or big. Something moderate, just something moderate like you see me doing. Then you tape it down. Now let's focus on the new dart we opened. We are going to draw a line from here to there, from this point to the other point, a straight line. We'll be drawing another line. This line should be perpendicular to the first line we drew, meaning it should be at 90 degrees to the first line we drew. And as for the other side, we can just straighten it out like so. What I'm doing here, I'm just trying to get the same figure for each side. I had 4 inches at the other side, and I also want to mark 4 inches on the other side so that I can draw a line joining these two. So now I can go ahead to cut. We are almost done. So soulmates, this is what we have. So you can go ahead to add your seam allowances round. For the side, for the center front and the belt area, I advise you to add just 0.25 seam allowance. Then for every other part, you can add your seam allowance anyhow you usually do, but for these areas I advise you to add just 0.25 seam allowance. When you are done transferring the pattern to fabric, you will join these two parts together and sew. These two parts, you join them together and sew. So after sewing, you can actually serge. You can serge it with your serger machine so that it will give it a clean finish. Before joining those two parts I showed you together, you want to attach more fabric to this area so that the belt will be long enough. Then you can now go ahead to sew. So soulmates, that will be all. So you're going to be cutting 2 of these. That's the front is going to be 2. So you attach one first and attach the other one before joining them together to make a whole one front. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Bye.